up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey, back with another video. So I'm running a quick little errand right now. Gotta go get an x-ray done. I was like, let's film a little POV. I haven't filmed a POV in like 2 weeks. So we're back with the POVs. It's gonna be quick. It's only a 10-minute drive, so it's not far. Let me try to catch. Okay, here we go. I hope everyone's doing amazing. I feel like my GoPro's crooked. I don't know why. It feels so weird. But yeah, just headed there. Hope everyone's doing good. I just talked to one of the guys in my parking garage. He also had a C8, but he traded in for a Porsche 911. Beautiful car, all blacked out, chrome wheels, 6-pack. Anytime I see a Porsche, it makes me want it even more, which I hate it. But for all my C8 owners, let me know, is your oil just running out really fast? Like, I just got my car back 2 weeks ago, and the oil is, I mean, I barely drive in sport. I only put it in sport right now because, you know, filming a video, better for content, whatever. So I only had it for 2 weeks. I only drove twice last week, and then I drove maybe like 2 to 3 times the previous week when I got it back, and it's already at 94. Like, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. Transmission filter is cool, transmission fluid, that's fine. Yeah, man, I don't know, it's just, to me, I feel like the oil, it burns so much quicker now. Like, I'm going through oil like it's nobody's business. I don't know. Let's crack the window so you guys. I would have taken the streets there, but I don't want to chance it, you know. I don't want to like take the streets and then there's like a traffic jam or something and now I'm late. So it's saying I should get there around 3:21. My appointment's at 3:30, so we're pretty good. I hate people like this that can't pick a lane. And I always say, you gotta drive like you're from New York. I swear. That's literally the only way to drive here. Like, you gotta drive like you're from New York. Gotta drive aggressive here. But yeah, my oil is just, I don't know, like, sometimes I get the car back and I feel like the oil is going so quick. Cause there was one point, I'm not gonna lie, yes, I was driving the car a lot more than normal, and I was getting oil changes like every month or every 2 months, bro. For real, like, it's crazy. But yeah, I don't know if other C8 owners got that same problem, so let me know, just to make sure I'm not going crazy here. Fun fact about me, I hate being early to places. I don't know, like, I hate having to like wait around and stuff. Like, I like being able to just show up and just get whatever I have to get done, you know. But yeah, I hate being early. But I'll probably be early to this thing over here. I cannot wait to get some more tattoos, man. Tattoos are so addicting. I don't care what no one says, man. Tattoos, the most addicting thing. As soon as you get one, you're already planning what's the next one. It's crazy. But But yeah, for people who need x-rays done, go to Reyes Radiology. Their office is so beautiful. Like, I don't think I've ever been to any doctor's office or any place that was like this clean. Like, I don't know if they clean it like every hour or something, bro, but it's super clean. They stay on top of everything there. So, should I be nice and let this person go? Let's see. Let's see. Let you go, let you go. Make sure to do a good deed, guys. Do a good deed. Hate these Cybertrucks, bro. I hate, how do people, I don't know how people like Cybertrucks, man. Parking's terrible. It doesn't look good. And it's just a social media hype car. It's crazy. Hey, Pop's got the top down. I see you, bro. M3, okay. Only thing is, I thought M's had two, like the double exhaust, like the double pipes. Is this a true M3 or no? I don't know. It could be, might not be, because I'm not like a big BMW guy. All of my friends got Beamers, but I don't have one yet. So let me know in the comments if it's a real M. It's crazy, man. These cars are so much money too, and people got these cars as if these things are Hondas. It's crazy, especially here in Palm Beach. It's like nothing to them. It's so much money here. Yeah, I'm about to go get this x-ray done. Hopefully it's pretty quick, because I hate having to leave work and go do stuff, and then these things take a long time. So I'm hoping it's pretty quick, and I'm hoping I'm in and out. So we'll see what happens. 600 feet. So I think it's past the light. It's basically like going to my doctor's office. My doctor's office is right here. So yeah. Okay, so last time I went all the way down here, and I think I saw the Reyes sign. Damn. Oh, you can't come back on the side? What the hell? Oh wait, yes you can. Yes you can. I was like, hold on now. How you gonna have a big parking structure and not have it connected? Alright, let's see, let's see. There we go. Reyes. Alright, 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 alright. Reyes Radiology. Let's park away from people. That's my favorite thing about this office too. It's away from everybody, so no one's in your face. Nobody's. It's perfect. Maybe I chose the perfect time to come too. No one's here, because nobody could leave work during the day. Thankfully, I work from home. So, but yeah, guys, please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.